beautiful Tuesday morning. The sun is shining. You know, it's a beautiful morning. No rain clouds or anything. I think we need some rain though. It's been hot. Everything is getting dry. The grass is still nice and green and everything, but it needs water. You know, I have to be using the sprinkler to sprinkle. But yeah, guys. Hold on, guys. Let me check this GPS real quick. It's saying something else this morning. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna go a different way. He's telling me to go somewhere else, but I'm going. So this morning I'm going to get my daughter to drop her off at soccer camp. So I noticed the GPS telling me to go somewhere else. So I was just trying to. I'm not going that way. Yeah. He's telling me to take some back roads and stuff, and I don't want to go there. So anyway. It's a beautiful day. The weekend is behind us. I was in a little bit of pain from lifting those tiles. There's a lot of tiles that was the floor tiles for the restaurant. That got me messed up, yo. Like my muscles, you've been using muscles that you never used before. So you know, when you go to the gym and work out and you get sore muscles, that's what I'm feeling right now. So yesterday I pretty much didn't do anything. I just, you know, I went to pick up my daughter from summer camp, dropped her off, and that was it. Like I couldn't do nothing else. Yeah. Pretty much just edited one video. I'm behind in a few videos, but you know, I have them, the footages. It's just to edit them and upload them to YouTube. So yesterday I did one video or two. I think I uploaded one. Did some research, start looking, you know, checking for more equipment and stuff. That's what I was doing yesterday mostly. So I didn't do much in terms of recording yesterday. So Monday's video is gonna be pretty much short. It ain't gonna be nothing really. So hold on, guys. I'm just checking the where I should go, you know. Yeah, guys. So you know, it's you know, it's been a busy weekend, busy weekend with the river trip, and you know, I still didn't post that video with the trip up there. But it was a busy weekend. Saturday went out to Nashville, pick up the tiles, and then Sunday came back and went to the river. You know, a lot of driving up, back and forth. So anyhow, we're here. It's Tuesday. It's a great day, beautiful day outside. It's not, you know, too hot this morning or anything. But after I pick up my daughter and drop her off, I'm gonna head to a couple restaurant places. I've been trying to go there since Friday, so I'm gonna take today and go see what they have. At the end of the day, I have to, if I don't get the equipment, those major equipment that I need this week, if I don't get them, what I'll do, I'll just order them online. They are available online, but I was trying to see if I could find any good deals, you know, and pay less. You know, finding them locally and see if I could pay less. But if I'm not finding any good deals, then I'll just order it new online. They're the same price. What you buy used locally is what you're gonna spend new online, right? So I don't know how that is. The prices, the retail prices for the used stuff on the streets is more expensive than the brand new off-brand. So I don't get that. I don't know why it is like that, but I guess the overheads of these local places get high, so they have to raise their prices. So yeah, I'm gonna hit up a few spots today. Yeah, yeah, early. Bear with me. I'm still about 7 o'clock right now, so yeah. So I'm gonna hit up a few spots and see, you know, if it's if they have anything. If they don't have anything by the end of the week, I'll decide and just buy them. You try and get them. So yeah, I'm getting the day started. I got my hot water right here. I didn't go in the back to show you guys this morning. I just got up, got ready, and head on out on the road. So yeah, but yeah, the weekend was good. The river trip was good. Had more than enough food. Everybody ate, you know, enjoyed the day. It was a great, you know, little picnic, you know, family picnic. River was nice though. At first I thought the water was cold, but once you get in it, in the tubes, it's pretty nice. It's, you know, it's refreshing, you know. Highly recommend it for those who don't want that, you know, violent water river. This is a good river for you. This is just laid back tubing. It's not crazy. It's not like whitewater rafting where we went before, where you're in a boat and you gotta be paddling, and you know what I'm saying, it's hectic. With this, it's just laid back. It's like a lazy river. You're in the tubes. If you watch the videos before, you'll see what I'm talking about. But yeah, highly recommended. Older folks all the way down to 3-4 year olds, or even less. You know, I've seen babies go down there on you know, they sit in the laps of yeah. So it's all good. You know, relaxing fun day with the family. So back to work. We're gonna start getting knocked out. This Peppaz project knocked out. I took the ceilings out. I have to check once I get back today. I'm gonna start checking on the permits to see where they are with it. They did say 10 days. I believe we're coming up on 10 days for the zoning and planning, the planning and development. I mean, we're coming up on 10 days on the health department side of it. We submitted our plans over there too. They said around 10 days as well. I believe this ending of this week would have been 10 days. We only submitted those last week, I believe, or the week before Thursday. So last week Friday would have been full 1 week and maybe 2 days, and then this week Thursday would have been 10 days. So let's hope I hear something from that inspector. They gave us the name of the person who's going to be contacting us and stuff like that. So let's hope we hear back from them and see. Yeah, so you know, it's a waiting game, guys. We do these permits, these drawings, and submit them so we could get permit to build. You can't build anything, you can't dig anything, you can't do anything until you get the permit to build, a building permit, right? So it's just a waiting game. If it wasn't for a waiting game, if it wasn't for the permit and all that, we could have probably almost finished already from the time we got the place to now. It's been, I would say, a month. This is coming up on our second month in a couple of days. By the end of this month, it's our second month. So, you know, it's just planning and drawing and permits, and you know what I'm saying, that's what takes time when it comes to these things. It's just time. We you know, we need time on these build out. Don't be, if you're not ready to go and sending permits instantly, sending drawings instantly. If you don't have your drawings, stuff like that, negotiate the most time possible. 5 months is not enough, trust me. I've seen other restaurants, especially bigger restaurants, up to a year and something before they get going. And it's not because they don't have the materials and the workmen and all of that. It's because of the permitting issue. It takes 2 months, 3 months just to get your permit, right? With these municipalities. It takes at least 3 months. Then to do the building, it will take another 3-4 months. But the reason why it takes so long on the building too, because even although you get your building permit, you can't just continue to build and finish. You know what I'm saying? You have to do a section, then they have to come out and inspect. Once they inspect, then you finish that section, then somebody else gotta go. It's always everybody gotta inspect. So the electrical gotta inspect, the plumbing guys has to inspect, the framing, all of that has to be inspected. So because it has to be inspected, when you're doing the work, you have to schedule an inspector to come out and check while you're building. And then it's not like they'll come out the next day. You know what I'm saying? You gotta schedule it for them to come out ahead of time, so that when you finish that section, you know what I'm saying? So everything has to be coordinated, like has to be coordinated exactly to the T, right? If it's not coordinated, then you're gonna waste a lot of time. That's what I'm saying. Because if you finish now, let's say you put up the wall and it has to be inspected, then you when you finish putting up the wall, then you go get the inspector to come. They might take another 2 weeks. So you just there sitting for 2 weeks to get inspected on a wall that you finished a long time ago. You know what I'm saying? So it's like you have to coordinate it and find out how long before he comes out. That way you could, before you finish the wall, you schedule that inspection to come out 2 weeks later, because you know you're gonna finish, you know? And it's hard because sometimes you got a contractor that comes out, you schedule for it to finish in 2 weeks, but he don't show up in 2 weeks. So it's a lot of back and forth, guys. If this thing could drive anyone crazy, I don't know how they pull some of these things off, like building when these places build. That's why sometimes they take a little bit of time. Most of the places you see go up in like in 2 days is because they already done it before and they have everything in order. They have everybody ready to go. That's you know those places have that system down, so they'll get it done. I want to lip them white, guys. I'm not sure, but pardon me if we lip them white it early. Time dry. I never put no lip thing on my mouth. Anyhow, you know, it could be hectic. It could be a hectic adventure to get this, you know, thing built. So you know, I'm trying not to have any delays when it comes to, so I'm trying to figure out, you know what I'm saying, get in contact with the, you know, inspectors, stuff like that. You know, we got the number for the inspector, the health department inspector. We have her number, so I'm expecting her call after the 10 days. You know, if not, I'll give them a quick call just to see how it's going. As far as the permitting part of it, I need to get with my GC. I'm gonna have him put his name on it, see if he could pull the permits for us. So I'm gonna contact him today and see what's going on with that part of it. Or plumbers and stuff, they're on standbys because they're waiting on building permit for them to start doing what they're doing. As far as the grease trap and stuff, he could start that part, so I'm gonna get with him this week and try and lock in a date. He's supposed to send me a quote. They gave me pricing, but I need an official quote from them on paper, just to move forward. So once he gets that over to me, then we'll figure out, you know, what date he could actually start digging for the grease trap. His permits and stuff, he'll get his own permits for that. So I'm going to pretty much get with him this week so he could start that process. That definitely need to get started, so I'm gonna get with him this week on that part of it. So yeah, guys, I'm here. I'm just heading down to get my daughter. As I said, it's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. We need some rain. It fall the other day overnight for a short time, so the grass kind of got some good watering. But you know, I'll see if I could get some vlogging today. Yesterday was a slow day. I'm gonna see if I could get some vlogging today. I'm heading over to a couple restaurant stores that sell restaurant equipment, so I'm gonna head over and see what I could see from there. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna close this little segment out. I'm gonna head down, get my daughter, and I'll get back with you when I get to the stores. Alright? Alright, guys, so I just washed the back of the van out. Kinda clean. Wash the van out, and then I washed the grill. I didn't finish washing the grill, I just hose it off, but the inside still need to clean out. I gotta empty the dust out of it, the charcoal ashes, and then wash it out, put it up for the next use. That grill, I just keep it in the back of the truck right here. I normally keep it in the back of the truck. That way, if I go anywhere and just break the grill out and start grilling, you know. So that one is the truck grill. Close up the garage. Garage close. So let's go, guys. We heading down to Noonan. I believe it's Noonan, yeah. To go check out the mop sink. There's a mop sink down there, and then there's another store close by there where I'm gonna check out the some stove, double deck oven, not stove, oven. They say they have a few in stock and some refrigerators, so I'm gonna check those places. So I'm heading to pick up the mop sink and see if they have any other thing that anything else available. And then I'm also going to go to 2 other restaurant equipment stores, use equipment stores. There's one in Mableton and there's one in Forest Park. So I'm just gonna, you know, browse through and see if they have anything that I might need. Pretty much that's what I'm gonna do today. Equipment hunting again, equipment shopping, you know. Yeah, guys. So this is probably one of the stressful parts as well, is to find the equipment. Now, if you got the money and you want to just buy them new, it's easy. Just go online or wherever and just pay for it, you know. But for me, I'm trying to save money, so I'm trying to, as I said, I have a budget, so I have to make everything fit in that budget. You know what I'm saying? And you know, if I get the less I get them, I could spend that money on something else. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to make this work on a tight budget, a low budget. To be honest, I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm still going through. You know, I don't know if it's gonna work with the budget I have, because as I'm speaking to you, the prices of everything is going up. The prices of the equipment going up, the prices of the construction work going up. Everybody is just charging more and more and more. You know? It's inflation time, guys. It's 2024, mid-year inflation hit, and everything is just skyrocketing. Everything. See them? They building those houses over there. The budget they made to build those houses went up. So if you look back, there is empty. It's just the front they're building. So I could tell you right off the bat, every construction person feel it. The price they used to pay is not, you know, they started with a budget and then it went up midway. So it's like it costs more now. So either they're gonna build less houses on the property and start with a few and then try to get those sold, then they build the rest. But the money they started with, I'm quite sure it's not enough with everything that's being built. See, this place is built and it's not even open yet. It's been done a while now. I don't know, maybe they're waiting on permits or something, but you know, my lip check, my lips them guys. So yeah, you know, it's always a challenge when it comes when you're building in inflation time, when everything is going up rapidly. Most of the equipment that I looked at some stuff on Webster and from the time I add them to the cart to now, which is 2 months, they went up in prices. I noticed everything that I add to that cart went up at least $75 or more. Went up, right? So you know, you just have to, you just gotta, you know, hurry and get it done as quick as possible, or buy all these equipment you need, buy them ahead of time. Because if you wait till later on, you know, September, November to buy them, it's gonna be more. So buy it now, you know. If you're thinking of doing a project like this, start buying the items that you're gonna use now, and then you'll have them, you know what I'm saying, when the price is high, then you already had them. So everything I know I'm gonna need, I'm gonna start just getting it. Because if I don't get it now, I'm gonna need it later, you know, and then you're gonna end up paying more. So you know, just buy it now. Yeah man, so as I said, now I'm heading down to Noonan. It's gonna be quite a bit of drive. It's about an hour to get to that space, that business. I don't know the name of it. They just gave me the address, so I'm heading over to see what they got in stock, and then I'm gonna go to 2 other equipment store. Yeah, I'm gonna head over to Forest Park and Mableton. Noonan, then Forest Park, then Mableton. Those are the 3, I would say, cities I'm gonna hit up. And the funny thing is, they're all far apart. So Noonan is close to Forest Park, but Forest Park is farther away from Mableton. So it's like I'm circling the whole entire Atlanta area. I'm going all the way around Atlanta, you know. So yeah. Yeah guys, so we on it. We working today, we equipment shopping. You know, as I said before earlier in the video, the weekend was great. It was tiring, the legs hurt, all the muscles in the legs hurt from lifting all those tiles. It's wearing off now, but it still hurt. I still have to, when I'm bending down or anything, I gotta, you know, I did some stretches and so last night or this morning, I don't remember. Kind of helped a little bit, but I need to get back in the gym, guys. That's what I need to do. Get back in the gym. But yeah, but we here. I'm gonna head down there. So once I get down there, I'll check back in with you guys. Yeah. So give me a few. I'll you know, knock out some of the drive and then check back in when I get closer or something. Alright guys, see you in a minute. Alright guys, so we're coming up onto the location where we're gonna pick up the mop sink. Somewhere down here. Showing somewhere down here on the right, according to GPS. We're down here in Noonan, Georgia. So it's a place I saw on Facebook Marketplace. They just gave us the address right here, so we're here checking it out, see what they got. Alright, so let's see. Barbecue spot. Alright, so let me check this address and see if it's give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna check and see. Yeah, guys, so I got through with the equipment. I had to wait a while, they were on lunch, but I got the mop sink, I got another sink, I got a bunch of stuff for really good prices. It's like a crackhead price. It's a contracting company, general contractor. So apparently they just have them. They don't sell those type of things. It's I guess it's just leftover things that they have from jobs that they do. So he just listed for some cheap price, yo. I got a whole sink for 50, brand new sink for $50. I got a single compartment sink for $50. I got a stainless steel, by the way. I have the mop sink. I paid $50. They're normally like $300. I got another hand wash sink that I needed for $25. Those are like $100 and something there, and these are all brand new. I'm gonna show you pictures, video of it soon. They're in the back right now, so as soon as I pull over, I'll show you guys that. But pretty much I walked away with several items. A sprayer, like the sprayer that goes on a 3-tier sink. All of that I walked away with for like $150 for all that. That's probably $600-700 worth of items, if you should, or more. Probably like $1,000 worth of items for $150. So you can't beat that. Sometimes you just gotta look around and be patient. I was sitting there for like 30-40 minutes. I said I ain't leaving, because I looked through the window. It's like an office, their office, and it was closed. But when I looked through the window, I saw them on the table. So I said, you know what, I ain't leaving, because I saw it, so I knew it was there. So I just waited. Eventually they answered my text, and he said the office, the lady in the office will be there. She was on lunch. So yeah, I just waited and got them. I ended up taking it. I didn't really need a sink, but for $50 I took it anyway. You never know, you might use that one instead. So I took it anyway, because the one I got had a drain board on it. So if in the future and I don't need that drain board, then what I'll do, I'll just swap it out for this one, because this one does not have a drain board. So at least I have options, you know what I'm saying? That sink right here is probably about $300 and some dollars. I'm gonna look it up, but I think it's like $300 and something for that sink, and I got it for $50. So it's a deal. As I say, if you search around for these restaurant equipment, you will find deals on them. So now I'm heading up to the other restaurant store. Now I know for sure this place is a used restaurant equipment store. They sell used equipment. So I'm gonna head up here and see what they got. I need a 3-tier sink. Once I get that 3-tier sink, then I'll have all the sinks and hand wash sinks that I need as far as plumbing. So I'm gonna head up here and see what's there. Let's see. That's about it. I need that 3-tier sink. That's the next major thing, apart from the refrigerators and the oven. I need that 3-tier sink to put in place, just to see where everything is gonna fall. So I need one a specific length. I need one 91 inches, 90 or 91 inches wide. So let's hope these guys have a good one in stock. I could take. But if not, I'll just keep looking on Facebook Marketplace, or I'll just buy new. New, it's like 500 and something. Let's say 600 new. I think it's free shipping on it. So if I don't find it used, I'll just take a new one. I have no choice. Yeah. But yeah. Alright guys, it says 30 minutes to the next stop, so I'm heading up the road. I'm on the highway. So I'm heading up the road. I'm gonna check in with you guys once I get to the next stop. Alright guys, so we here down in Forest Park where the airport is at. The way this airport is huge, it even goes across the highway, yo. They got planes driving on bridges over here in Atlanta. I'm below now, so you can't really see it, but yeah, you know, the way the airport is set up, a part of the runway is on the other side of the highway, so they have a bridge where the plane goes over the bridge over the highway and come around the other side. It's crazy, but yeah, it's one of the biggest airports, they say, you know, or most traveled airport, I should say. I'm not sure. I don't think it's the biggest, but yeah, we're heading to the next stop. It's another restaurant equipment store, so I'm hoping we could find some used items over there. If you look, this person right here is a little almost run into the back of them and jam on their brakes. Apparently they don't know where they're going, so yeah. So yeah, we're heading over there. Hopefully we could get some good stuff, you know, purchase. Alright, I'm almost there. I'll check in once I get there. As I say, I don't really film inside these stores. A lot of people not comfortable with you filming, talking to them and filming them, so I won't film them, you know. I'll just film me pulling up or leaving or after I finish doing business, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're all here, we're getting it done, yo. Every day I get a different piece of, you know, equipment. So, alright guys, I'll check back in soon. Like a old JC Penney warehouse we're going very much. So let me go in here and see what's up. They got a bunch of crap. Oh, it's huge in here. Alright guys, so I'm here. I'm gonna check out inside and see what they got in there. See if they have anything I need. This place got a lot of different used items. Look, I got a bunch of stuff in here. Sausage presses, ovens, rotisseries. Excuse the language, but look, they got all sorts of stuff. I guess they come from Walmart and all over, you know. Walmart, Kroger's, he said. So you see they got refrigerators, 1200 used stuff. Some of them good, some of them bad. They say they check them out, but they're good. Refrigerators, see, says true. So they check them out, make sure they're good, you know. See, they got all those things. They got walk-in freezers back there. Lift equipment. Pallet jacks. They got pallet jacks over there. Tire machines, jacks. They got meat slicers. Sinks from like offices maybe. They got a 3-tier sink up there. It's too big. I don't want that one. We got a 2-tier sink. We don't have much sinks over here. It's like a junkyard for equipment, yo. Pretty much. So, equipment junkyard. This is where things come to die. I've seen some stuff over there I'm interested in though, like a faucet. And then I see some refrigerator right here that I may be interested. I could probably offer them $1,000 for one of these. It's like a drink fridge. They look like they're in good condition, but it's just a matter of if it works. You know, all these they got 1,200 on them. Refrigerators. You got 3 doors, 2 doors. The 2 doors are 1,200. The 3 doors is 1,800. 1,200 on all these 2 doors. So got a sandwich prep station right there. 1,800 on the 3 doors. Yeah. Got another sink right here, but it's too big. You see, it's like a 3 compartment, but it's way too big. Can't use it. I just need a small one, 91 inches. 91 inches. They got a lot of stuff in here. Meat cutters. Walk-in refrigerators, walk-in coolers, pallet jacks. They even got those little handicap carts they use at the Walmart stores. But yeah, ain't nothing here that I would want. They got a bunch of used stuff, but it's too used for me. You buy something like this, it's a gamble. You don't know if it works or it doesn't work, you know what I'm saying? You buy it today and spend 1,200, it breaks tomorrow, so it don't make no sense. So let me go up there and see some scales up there, like a scale, 30-pound scale, food scale. I'm gonna get that scale if it's good price. And also the faucet. How much do I want for this microwave? Oh, it's regular one then. Yeah guys, so see, pallet jacks. Peppaz. Peppaz.
Oh, sorry?
Peppaz. Peppaz.
Oh, pepper.
Yeah.
Is it with a Z?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Alright, so we got pallet jacks right here. Let's see what kind of price. Pallet jacks. We got floor jacks, tire machines. We got refrigerators. $1,200 for a refrigerator. $1,200. Alright guys, so I'm here at this old warehouse. I guess it was a JC Penney warehouse. They got a bunch of stuff for sale out here, like used items, everything used. Oh, that's electric. Yeah, but everything used. They're pretty much selling out everything. See, it's a big old warehouse. Get out of here. Traffic is gonna get me. Yeah. So. Alright guys, so I got a bunch of stuff back here. Let me go show you. I never showed you the other stuff. So I got some stuff from another Facebook seller right here. So I got the mop sink right here. I got another sink. I don't need this sink, but I just took it anyway because it was 50 bucks. It's brand new sink right there. Alright, and I got the hand wash sink over there. I got a scale. I got faucets. Everything brand new. Everything right here is brand new. So I can't really beat that, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, can't really beat that. Hold on guys, let me fix this. Yeah guys, so just got done with this place. It's actually a used equipment auction. That's what it is. So they allow people to just come in and buy stuff outside of the auction as well, but they have auction. They're gonna have an auction next Friday on these equipment where they bid on them and you could purchase them. So right now I got a really good deal on a faucet. The faucet is normally $300 and something, $200 and something. So I got this one right here for $150. So that's not bad. It's the faucet with the sprayer for the three tier sink. So I got that part. All I need now is the sink itself, and I also got the valves that goes underneath to stop the drainage. You know, like how you'd use drain plugs, they have valves you could pull and then it opens the drain or close the drain. So I got those. And then now I also got a scale from them. Those scales are normally a lot of money, over $100. I got it for $40 and it's in almost new condition, so it's not bad. So yeah, I'm chipping away at it. I'm getting a few items as we go. All I need now is the faucet for the mop sink, which I'm gonna buy that online, I think. Dang, I forgot I was recording, guys. Sorry about that. I'm here answering texts and stuff like that. I didn't realize you guys was live. I'm gonna check the next location. It's already 3:30 now, and I'm all the way downtown. When you're in Forest Park, you don't really want to be stuck down here when 5 o'clock. You're gonna have hell to get back home, right? So let me put my GPS to see where how long it is to get to the next location. Let's see where home is. Yeah, home, just to get home is 59 minutes, right? So let me see if I could get to put in to go to the other location. I think I might just go tomorrow because today it don't make no sense going up there today. The traffic is crazy here in Atlanta. We're gonna get stuck. So let's see, 281. So 281 Veterans Memorial Drive. Oh, I think I put the wrong. 281. Okay. So it says 30 minutes away to get to that location, but because it's the end of the day, I'm not gonna go to that one, to be honest. I'm just gonna head on up 20. Yeah guys, I'm just gonna head on home, because it's, if I go to the next stop, it's gonna be 4 o'clock when I get there, and then the traffic from there to go home is another hour and a half, 2 hours. So I ain't gonna waste no time and gas and all of that idling in traffic. So let me head on home, and then because just to go home, it's saying an hour just to get home. So yeah, it's telling me an hour just to get home. So I'm just gonna head out now, and I got a buddy of mine, he got a shop right here next door, so I'm just gonna stop by him real quick and heal him up real quick, and then head on home. Yeah, I got my buddy's shop right up there, up on that street right there. So yeah, I ain't gonna stop though. I called him, and he probably busy, so I didn't stop. Sometimes you got people working there, you can't just pull up on them on their jobs. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't want to do that. So I ended up just passing. Yeah man, so we're in good shape. I got a couple of equipment, good amount of stuff. I just need to order the sink now. I'm gonna go back and search to see if I see any other sink. Yeah. Online, I'll search for like the 3-tier sink. So I'm gonna search online to see if I see anybody else selling. I see a couple of them come up from time to time that meets the requirement, the 91 inches, but a lot of them they're being sold by the time I get to the person. It's sold already, or you know, are no longer available for some reason. There's one that is available, a used one that meets the requirement and everything, but it has a broken leg, guys. It has a broken leg. So I was trying to figure out if I could get a decent one that looks good, that's new. But as I said, if push comes to shove and it's a good price, I'll take the broken one, right? Because I'll save a lot. Remember, that sink is like $600. Maybe I'll give them like $100 for it, you know what I'm saying? And get it. So I'm gonna reach out to them now and see if I could. I'll probably just go look at it. If it's in good shape, I'll give them $100. Most times they're not rusted out or anything, or banged up pretty bad. So if it's in good shape, you know, I could, you know, make it look nice again, clean it up and make it look nice again. It is stainless steel, so we could polish it. So I could use my sander and use the right disc on here and polish that stainless steel, and it looks nice again, right? It just takes a little bit of elbow grease to get it looking nice again. A lot of people don't know that stainless steel, you could polish it. So even although sometimes they kind of look old and scratched up, we could, you know, make it look decent when we polish it. It won't be 100. You can't get the dings out, but you know, you'll get the scratches or any kind of, you know, stains or anything like that. You could polish it out. Yeah. But when I pull over, I'll contact that person and see if I could get a hold of them. Well, yeah, guys, today is a successful day. As I said, my legs and my hands and everything still in pain, but you know, I'm working through it. You know, the more you work, the more that pain will go. It's not really pain; it's more like a sore, like a muscle sore. All you gym guys or girls out there who goes to the gym know every time you tear a muscle, it hurts, right? So it's really you're getting torn muscles, right? Every time you work out and lift heavy weights, you're actually tearing your muscles, and then when it heals, that's how muscles grow, right? So because I haven't been doing any kind of gym work or anything like that, workout, anything I do that's labor intensive, I'm gonna be in pain, right? So anybody out there has that similar feeling or felt muscle ache when they work out or do any kind of strenuous job, that's what it is. You're actually tearing your muscles for it to repair itself. So yeah, it's normal. That's normal. If you're feeling pain or hurting all the time, that's different. You know what I'm saying? Without doing anything, you're in pain, then that's different. But this definitely is because I was squatting a lot. I was using my hands like this a lot. I was lifting, bending, stacking those tiles in the van. That's what caused my muscles to be like that, hurt. So it's getting better though. I mean, it's been since Saturday I did that. So now it's Tuesday. So hopefully by the end of the week I'm good again, right? So yeah, successful day. I got a good haul today. I spent like I would say I spent maybe like $400 in total. Yeah, maybe $400 I came out with this morning. Yeah, $400 I came out with, and I got a brand new sink, single compartment sink. I got a brand new mop sink. I got a brand new hand wash sink. I got a faucet, right? And I got another set of faucet, the spray wash faucet that we use in the 3-tier sink. I also got a scale, and I got the valves, the drain valves to plug the drains for the 3-tier sink. So in the restaurant business, we have to put sanitizer in one of those compartments, right? So you gotta block the sink so you could do a wash, rinse, wash, and then sanitize, right? So in the rinse, you have to block that bowl, wash bowl. There's an orange Corvette C8. I don't like that color, guys. I don't like that color. Anyhow, so yeah, we gotta block that bowl to fill it with water, right? So normally what you do is you put a drain plug in the bowl to block that bowl and fill it with water, right? So with this automatic drain, it's like a lever and a valve that you put under the sink. When you pull that lever, it pretty much blocks that bowl. So you don't have to stick your hand in that dirty water to take the plug out or to plug it, right? You just pull that lever and you let the water out, right? That's what that's for. I'll show it to you when I stop. I'll show it to you. But I got that as well. So I actually spent $250 at this auction place, and then I spent $150 at the other location where I got the mop sink, the sink, the hand wash sink, and the faucet. So all those things I paid, $150 for those, and then another $250 here for the rest of the stuff. So I think that's a good haul because that's over $1,000. That's probably like $1,500 worth of items I bought for $400. The sprayer, the hand sprayer, was like at Restaurant Depot. It's like 200. Let's say it's $300, right? for the hand sprayer. I got it for 150, right? The scale is probably 100 and something dollars. I got it for $40. The what else I got from them? That bowl release thing, I didn't check the price yet, but I got it for 50. I know it's probably 200, 300 for that setup, right? So I saved there. On the sink itself, the single compartment sink that I bought earlier, that sink is like 200 and some dollars, right? I got it for $50. The mop sink was $320, and I got that mop sink for $50. The hand wash sink is somewhere about 109, 120 bucks. I got it for $25. So you see a lot of savings there, right? I got a lot of savings for all those items put together. You can't beat that. And they're all brand new. Everything I bought today was brand new. So I got Facebook came through today with a little patience because I was waiting for like 40 minutes for her to come. But when as I said, I peeked in the window and I saw the items. So because I saw the items, I say I ain't leaving. I drove like an hour and a half to go all the way down there. I ain't leaving to come back. So I saw this stuff. I just hang around. I text them on Facebook, and eventually he answered and said that his office manager is coming in. They went to lunch. I figured they were on lunch, so I just waited around. Excuse me if my lips are white. He's blowing cold. Yeah, so I just waited around pretty much and wait for them to show up. So I got all that. That was a good haul, guys. That was a great haul. I'm gonna do the final price. I'm gonna look everything up and see what they come to. But I'm guesstimating around $1,500 worth of items I got for $400. That's excellent. Just like the tiles, the quarry tiles. I looked up the tiles. Those tiles would have cost me $4,600, right? The amount I bought. I paid $500, right? And the gas to go up there was probably about $120 to go and come back to Nashville. So you're looking at $620 I paid for those tiles, and a little bit of elbow grease because now I'm in pain. But I don't mind; it's well worth it. So $4,600, I saved $4,000 on the tiles alone, right? So that's a good haul right here. So yeah, guys, you know, these equipment, start buying them early. That way you could search for deals. Just don't go out and just start buying stuff new. Because look, we got new items for like not even a quarter of the price, like 1/8 of the price, 1/16 of the price, right? Especially the sink and the mop sink. The mop sink is $50, so we paid 1/8 of the price for a new one, right? And it's brand new. So, you know, be patient, keep looking. Facebook Marketplace, people post things every day, so keep looking. You know, the POS system, I paid $500. Brand new, it's $800, 700 and something. So let's say $800 plus taxes and whatever. So the POS, I paid $500. I saved $300 right there on that system alone, right? So now I gotta look for like just the receipt printers and the KDS system, the kitchen display system. I think I'm gonna have to buy that brand new because I don't see it showing up anywhere. So I'll probably just buy that brand new from Square. So yeah, as I said, it's you know, just be patient, keep looking, keep refreshing that page on Facebook Marketplace, keep refreshing. Every day people post new things every day, right? And then sometimes you want to widen your search. Just don't search in your area. Sometimes it's like 60, 100 miles out. You know, the next state is probably close to you. So in my case, it was worth me driving 4 hours to Nashville from Atlanta because I'm saving $4,000. You know what I'm saying? So if you're saving $4,000, it's nothing to drive 4 hours. You gotta weigh your options, right? And these are all brand new tiles. This was 3 pallets of tiles. I think it's more tiles than I need, but I took all of them. You know what I'm saying? Whatever I don't need at the end of the build, I'll just sell it or keep a few just in case one break I could replace it, right? So, you know, it's worth driving up here, you know. With the sink, I got a single compartment sink last week. Paid $200. That sink was worth $500. So I paid $200 for it, and it came with a faucet. The faucet was another $100, let's say $200 for that faucet that's on there. So I saved quite a bit, you know, paying $200 for the faucet and the sink, right? You know, there was this one 3-tier sink down in Alabama. It missed me because we went to the trip on Sunday and I went to Tennessee on Saturday. I didn't get to go to Alabama, so when I reached out and told him I would get it on Monday, he said it was sold. But that sink would have been perfect because it came with the faucet, it came with the sink, everything was looking new and everything, had a faucet and everything. They wanted like I think it was like $4 something or $350 for that sink. But that deal, I missed out on that deal. To be honest, I missed out big time on that deal. It was only a 2-hour drive to Alabama. That would have been worth it, because if I was to buy that faucet and the sink, it would have cost me about $1,000, right, for that sink if I should buy it brand new. The sink is $700, $500 and something plus shipping, and then I would have to pay $300 on the faucet. However, I got me a faucet for only $150. So now if I get the sink for about $200, then you know it would be cheaper. That means I would have been somewhere around $350 for both faucet and sink. A brand new faucet and a used sink. So I know there's one on Facebook. I hope it's not sold, but I'm gonna check on it when I get back. There's a sink. The leg is broken, right? It looks like it's in good condition, but it just has a broken leg. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reach out to them, ask them if they'll take $200. I'll take the broken leg because I have a welder. I could weld it. Just buy the stainless steel spool and weld the leg on properly. So I'll take it broken, but it's just a matter of how much they want for it. You know what I'm saying? If they're holding out on those high prices, then I'll just pass on it and buy it new. If they'll sell it to me for, you know, $100, $200, then I'll take it from them. So, but yeah, heading on the highway. Look at the traffic, guys. That's why I say I don't want 5 o'clock to catch me all the way down here. Look at this traffic. This is just on the highway. Anybody in Atlanta know this is 285, guys. We're coming up on 20. So people who live in Atlanta, they'll know 20 and 285. 285 is the interstate or road. I think it's an interstate. Yeah, it's the interstate that circles the whole entire city. So it's like a big roundabout. 285. It travels all the way around the city of Atlanta. So you got inside the perimeter and outside the perimeter. If they say inside the perimeter, you're inside 285. If you're outside the perimeter, you're outside, living on the outskirts of 285. And then you got 20, runs right through the city. It goes straight through. So if you jump on 20, you're gonna go right through the city. So yeah. So that's Atlanta. They're doing a lot of construction on the road, so you're gonna have a lot of traffic. However, if you wait until evening time, like after work, 5 o'clock, 4:30, 5 o'clock, you'll be stuck all the way down there, standstill traffic. So I chose to get out of it. So I'll just put all the shopping, whatever I need to do, I'll do it tomorrow. I'll start out early tomorrow and you know, and go to Ableton. At least I knocked out all the far places, because those places I went to, they're like an hour and a half away, you know, 2 hours maybe, you know. So now I'm heading back in my area, you know, get out of this traffic. Look, it's more traffic coming up right here. Standstill traffic. No, look, we're pretty much standstill, almost. I'm gonna probably get off and go on the local roads, you know. But yeah, guys, you know, I've been ranting for probably about 17 minutes now. I know from the other day I haven't been talking this much. The vlogs was just short, you know. I have I'm behind on the videos, guys, so don't hold me to it. By the time you're seeing this video, the others would have been out. But I'm just telling you, I'm behind on these videos. I'm actually behind on Saturday's video. I just posted Thursday, so I'm behind from last Friday. It's now Tuesday, so I haven't posted Friday's video. I have posted Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So I'm down 5 days, and it's just because I'm all over. I was on the road in Tennessee on Saturday all day, so I couldn't do nothing that day. Sunday I was out at the river all day, couldn't do anything that day either. Monday I got up and I was in pain, so I just chilled that day. Did a few editing. Yesterday I did Thursday's video, so I got that one out. But tonight I'm definitely gonna catch up on try and do, at least Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I'm gonna try and get those videos out tonight. So I'm going in early today. If the sync is available, I'm gonna grab the sync. If it's not available, I'll just work on the editing those videos tonight, and get them out, try and catch up, But yeah, it's a successful day. I felt accomplished because I got a lot of deals today. So, I said just be patient, look for those deals, keep searching online, and I'm doing this and my fingers hurt. My fingers and my wrist hurt from those tiles. But yeah, I've been talking 20 minutes now, so I'm just gonna end this section out and then head on home and then search, see if they still have that broken leg sink available, and then I'll go from there. Alright, catch you later, guys.